Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. Check it out. I've got a really interesting piece for you guys today. I just got the Avon limited edition Nutcracker. If you're just joining me, we are in the middle of campaign 23, which is this cover. You can shop the brochure online. I'll put all the links below. And then you're definitely going to want to join my coupon list if you're just joining me. And then you'll get all the updates about the upcoming Christmas season because there's a lot of neat stuff. So today in the mail, I just got the Light Up Greenhouse, which I'm going to review tomorrow. Really cool. And the limited edition Light Up Tabletop Nutcracker. Now, I wasn't sure what to expect with this because you can't really tell what it is in the photo. Here's the photo in the catalog. It is $30.99, so you don't know what you're going to get. I didn't know if it was glass. I didn't know if it was plastic. I didn't know what it looked like. This is a really unique piece. So let me read you the description. It says, Clara's beloved soldier is ready to stand guard Christmas Eve, symbolizing good luck, power, and strength. This traditional festive friend brings whimsy to your holiday decor. It is 10 3/4 inches, takes 3 AAA batteries. It is glass and it's imported. It is made in China. However, it's a lot different than I thought it was going to be. It's actually prettier than it looks in the catalog. So the first thing I noticed when I unwrapped it is this thing is all glass. I mean, this is like a really hefty weight here. I actually have a scale here. I'm going to weigh this thing. I was really surprised at my scale. I'm just curious to see how much this thing weighs. That was the first thing I was like, oh my gosh, is this thing heavy? Let me weigh it. Yeah, it weighs 1 pound 4 ounces. So that was the first thing I noticed. I was like, wow, is this heavy? So it is all glass and it is painted. And then it actually lights up. It's hard to tell on camera here. I'm going to put it back on my shelf so you can see what it looks like far away. My lights are a little odd here, but it does look really pretty sitting on the shelf, lit up. So it is definitely a hand-painted piece. You can kind of tell. So I didn't notice as much when it's not lit, but then when you light it up, you can tell it's kind of hand-painted. There was a little spot on the back. I think it's painted to look like a vintage piece because you can see here how like his coat is a little bit more red on top and it looks like there's a little bit of paint that's kind of missing a little bit, and then there's all these like glitter accents on here, and then the hat, here's what the hat looks like. You can kind of tell it's meant to look like honestly, like I would almost think it's weird. The weird thing is they put a sticker for the mouth, which I was a little bit surprised. I'm like, why is there a sticker for the mouth? That was like the only weird thing. But like, I think if someone came over to your house and saw this, they would think it was probably like 60 years old. It's kind of got like this odd, like vintage look to it. So it's definitely a unique piece. I kind of think this is something that you might find like in Home Goods. You know how Home Goods has got like all those like, the nutcrackers and all the unusual things. It would not surprise me like to see something like this. This is the style of it, is definitely like a Home Goods style. It's kind of interesting because I think it's like the metallic paint. So when the light is off, this looks like metallic, which is I kind of like. I don't know if I like it off or on better because look at how pretty it looks with the red and green. But then when you turn the light on, it gets kind of translucent, and the inside of him looks kind of like stars, and you can kind of tell the paint's a little bit different. So I'm not sure if I like it on or off. I kind of like it just off, but it's intriguing. I was not expecting it to look like this. I just figured it would be, I mean, it's funny because it's got to be mass produced. I mean, this, it was made in China. I'm assuming it's, mass produced on an assembly line, but it does have a really interesting vintage feel to it. So I was kind of impressed. So if you're someone who collects nutcrackers, I think this is a really neat addition to your Christmas collection. It's super, like I said, it's heavy. That's the thing. I was like, I would hate to have that thing fall off the shelf. It would probably be in like 4,000 pieces. There's some detail on it too. Like it's so interesting that it's all glass. Like if you look at his hat with those red pieces on there, and the eyes are painted glass. Like I said, it's odd that the mouth is a sticker, but it's kind of interesting because like the necklace is very intricate. So anyway, that's the Nutcracker. That's a really interesting piece. So that is, yeah, it just says decorative, keep out of reach of children. You won't want that falling on the floor. So anyway, super cute. $30.99 in this catalog. I will put the link below. And then tomorrow I'm going to review the greenhouse. The greenhouse is really cute too. It's like, I never would have like thought to get like a Christmas greenhouse, but it's actually kind of cute. I really like it. It's a unique piece. So both of these are really unique pieces. Let me know if you have one of these, what you think. And this is definitely going in my Christmas collection this year. Thank you, as always, so much for watching. I am an Avon online Avon rep. All my information is below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.